Hey everybody, it's Sherry at the Crafty Decorator. I hope you're all having a fantastic evening. Okay, I told you all I was might come on with a kit craft. I have seen the breadboards that are used as a sconce. Last time I was in Lancaster, I found these breadboards that the Amish make. So every single one is different. These are handmade in Lancaster. So they're not, some of them are not perfectly round on the bottom. They're different shades. The handles may look different. This one has a little more of a square handle. But you see they're all, the textures are different, the colors are different. Some of the thicknesses are different. So it's like if you order one of these kits, it'll be a surprise which wooden piece you get. It will be a surprise which wooden piece you will get. They didn't have a lot. I bought what they had. So when I go back, if these sell and you guys like this kit, when I go back, I'll look for more. This one is Mayan. I kept this one because this one had a knot in it that came out. None of the other ones have knots. This one had a knot, so I kept this one. But I'm going to show you. Here's what it ends up looking like, and I will explain what you get in the kit. But how cute are these? So each one may vary, maybe a ½ inch or a ¼ inch across. It may vary a quarter or a ½ inch in length. They're pretty close in size, but it may vary just a ¼ inch or a ½ inch or so, but I love it. And now to hang it, I'm going to leave that up to you. You can drill a hole in this and hang it from a piece of jute if you want, or you can put a picture hanger on the back and hang it that way. But I think I am just going to add, I don't like putting a lot of holes in my walls, so I think I am just going to add those sticky picture hangers, the command strips. I'll put like one on the handle and maybe two down here and hang it like that. I might even hang it on the side of my cabinet. Okay, I'm going to show you. So you will get one of these breadboards. You will get this candle sconce. You will get one of these 4-inch cream candles. You'll have to supply your own batteries, but you'll get the candle. You will get this pepper grass candle ring or small wreath. It could be either or, but I'm using it as the wreath. You will get that. You will get 2 black screws to attach your candle sconce. So you'll get these 2 black screws right here. And then you will get this small brown nail to hammer in for your wreath. Okay, I'm going to show you how I did it, because each one is different, so your markings will be different, and it'll be different depending how you want it to look. If you want your candle to be higher in the middle of the wreath, you'll have this higher, or your candle ring lower. It's going to be how you like it to look. But to center it, I measured across. They're basically all like 11 inches or 11 1/4 or 11 1/2. They're very, very close. This one is like 11 1/8. So I am just going to mark the center, 5 1/2, but each one's going to be different. But I want a center mark so I know where my center is to attach my wreath and my candle sconce. Okay, I'm using a little black Sharpie. So make a little dot there so you know where your center is. Now here's what I did. I take my wreath, I place it on the board. So where do you want your wreath to look, like height-wise? So like kind of figure out where you want your height of your wreath. I kind of like it there. So I have my center mark. So my nail hole is going to go right up here. I'm pretty sure that's where I want my wreath to hang. I'm double checking. Maybe a drop lower. Let's see, maybe right there. So it's gonna go right above my knot. Okay, so my wreath's gonna hang there. Then I take my sconce thing. I slide it under my wreath. I put my candle in. So you wanna see where you want your candle inside your wreath. And I don't want mine like up to the top. I kind of want it in the middle. So I'm just going to tilt it towards me so I could see where I want it. And I'm thinking there. Okay, so I have my middle marked. So my candle holder needed to go over just a drop. I need to take my candle out. And I am going to mark my 2 holes. Make sure your candle sconce is straight. Okay, so I'm going to mark my holes right there. So I have my center marked there. That was the center across my board. This is where I'm going to put my wreath nail. And then these are my 2 holes, my 2 dots where I'm going to hang my sconce. So let's do this. Use a small drill bit to make your hole. This is 5/32, I believe. My sticker's in the way. I believe that's what it is. So I am just going to start my holes where I want my nail. Oh, sure, go the right way. I'm not going too deep. And then where I want to screw in my sconces. I just want to start my holes. Okay. So I have my little holes started there. I am going to put my sconce on there. Oh, I got to switch my drill bit to my Phillips head. Okay. Okay. I am going to put this on here. I am going to place my little black screws in there. And I am going to screw this on. Now, I do 1 screw at a time, and I don't completely tighten it, just because I want to make sure that I am straight. Okay. Just want to make sure I look straight. Okay. So, I have my sconce on there. Now my little brown nail, I'm going to hammer into my hole. Oh, that wood is hard. Okay. I got my brown nail hammered in. Now, see how much I leave out? Because you want to be able to hang your wreath on there. So, have my wreath on there. And then my candle. Let me get my candle straight. Okay, look, how pretty is this? And then every holiday, every season, you can change your candle. You can change your wreath. So I will offer later like a fall wreath and a fall candle you can buy together to change out your board in a Christmas and then spring, summer. Yeah, I really like it. You can spread your pepper grass out too if you want to. I didn't really spread mine out too much. But yeah, I'm liking it. I'm liking it. So, if you like it, you can jump on my web page, thecraftydecorator.com, click on shop, and then click on default, and you can pick newest items, and then this will be towards the top. Okay, guys, thanks for joining me, and I hope you like this because I'm loving it. Okay, talk to y'all later. Bye.